This is WWScenics Modular Paint Station. It can help organise all your paints and tools. It has lots of different options and stackable sections. It cost me $35.99 on Amazon and it comes as an MDF kit. I'm going to show you how to build it and if it's worth the money. I've been looking for a paint station for months, something that doesn't cost a fortune but actually works for all kinds of modelling I do. WWScenics are best known for their static grass and scenic range, but they also make this, a laser cut MDF paint station. It holds lots of paints and tools depending on which sections you add. There is assembly required. I've been using it for a week now and here's my honest verdict. Straight out of the box is a flat pack kit, sheets of MDF, decent quality, nicely laser cut. The instructions are okay, however, could be a little clearer, but with patience and dry runs before gluing and checking all the parts will help with the build. Assembly is straightforward, but it's not all just slot together. You need wood glue or PVA glue, whatever you have. The joints are tabs and slots, which is good, but without glue this thing will wobble all over the place. One tip, don't go mad with the glue. These tabs are tight, but if you overdo it, you spend more time wiping the glue than you did build the fin. But if you do overglue it, just wipe the excess and move on. Here's where it gets a bit confusing building the shelves. I had to organise all the pieces into sections where each part fits correctly. It's worth taking your time here to make sure you've got the right pieces that fit perfectly. Just something to be aware of when building this kit. My advice is to dry fit this section before you start to glue. Get the order right in your head first. Take your time on this bit, the rest of the build is easy. This one section where you can mess it all up. Here's a bit that tested my patience. These separate small pieces that all need to line up perfectly, and because they're small, getting glue on them without making a mess is fiddly. When it's all done though, it's solid. The brush holes are good size, fits everything from fine detail brushes up to bigger flat brushes and files, and it's great for modelling tools. Total build time for this took me about 45 minutes plus drying time for the glue. The finished item is great for organising the work area and good value compared to some others on the market. The shelves are removable too, so you can take them off, bring them down, and you can change them for different shelves, which is quite flexible and generally useful. The build quality for the price for a laser cut MDF kit this size is quite fair. The material is good, the cuts are clean, and the finished unit is sturdy. After a week of using this, painting some barrels and my workman figures that I've done in my last video, everything is in front of me, no need for rummaging around, knocking bottles over, reaching for the ones at the back. It just works a lot better. I'm really happy and I think it makes a great painting station. For £35 it's really solid, well designed, that organises all your paints and it's good value. You just have to bear in mind that you do have to make it and put it together. I think it's a fantastic modular paint station with many different options. You can even get a corner section and it has stackable sections. So that's the WWScenics Paint Station. I've linked it in the description if you want to grab one. But here's what I want to hear from you. What does your paint setup look like right now? Have you got everything in the shoebox? Have you built something custom? Drop a comment below. I genuinely want to know what everyone's using. And let me know if this has helped tidy up your workspace area. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe if you're into model railway and diorama and kit building videos. In my next video I'm going to be going back to the Metcalf goods shed building, where I'm going to be doing some more detail and something that I've never done before. So look out for that, it's going to be very good. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.